Mahima and welcome back to my channel My Way. So for today I'm going to be sharing this look. So this is an all glossy makeup tutorial. So yeah, if you're interested in this video then please keep on watching, but before that don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So my skin is not behaving that well from couple of days, so I thought let's go for a sheet mask. So I am having this sheet mask from a very long time now. So this is the Tony Moly I am tomatoes sheet mask. So this is like for radiance. So I really wanted to try this, so I thought let's try this today and let's try this on camera before heading to the makeup tutorial. It's a bit large for my face. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this for like good 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm gonna remove the mask. Tab tak ke liye let's see how it works. So it's been 15 minutes since I've applied. Now I'm gonna take this off. So I'm back and I've changed my top. So if you can see this redness, this is just because I just irritate this pimple. मैंने इस pimple को थोड़ा सा irritate कर दिया. So now what I'm gonna do is apply some moisturizer and I'm gonna take this Garnier Wrinkle Lift moisturizer. So if you're wondering that you need to invest in a sheet mask because you want a glossy makeup, that's not the thing. I just went with the sheet masks because I was having them. So I thought let's just apply this on camera. I had no plans to film this video right now, but I thought let's just film this one because जब मैं 15 minutes rest करी थी mask के साथ, so I was figuring out कि मैं कौन सी video shoot करूँ. So I thought let's go for the glossy makeup tutorial because I really like glossy wearable makeup tutorial and I do wear them. If you want, you can directly apply serum or some facial oil, but I have applied the mask, so that's why I'm just applying the moisturizer. First of all, for a glossier base, I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter. You can use any strobe cream, but I don't have that, so I'm going to use this. I'm just going to apply it and I'm going to blend it using my generic brush. आपको ये अपने अंडर आईज पे नहीं लगाना है, आपको अपने फोरहेड के सेंटर्स में, अपने जहाँ जहाँ आप हाइलाइटर लगाते हो मेनली पहले उस एरिया में, बाकी रेस्ट ऑफ द फेस पे आपको बहुत लाइटली लगाना है. इट्स ऑलरेडी लुकिंग ग्लॉसियर. For my base, I'm going to use this L'Oreal True Matte Super Blendable Foundation. You can use any foundation. This is a dewy foundation and that's why I'm using this for today. You can also use your matte foundation, but then you need extra illuminator to balance the two. So मैं ये use कर रही हूँ. और अगर आपके face पे correction की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत नहीं है, you can directly go for a concealer. But you can see these acne and this redness somewhere, redness, and I do need some correction. So that's why I'm using this. And to blend this, I'm using this sponge. This is from Becos. So I've blended the foundation. You can see I've used a very little amount of foundation. And this foundation doesn't have that crazy coverage. So now what I'm going to do is I need this corrector to kind of conceal my under eyes and also for this mark. So मैं ज़्यादा use नहीं करूँगी. This is kind of an optional step. You only need this if you have really bad dark circles or you need any sort of correction on your face. And this using the same brush. You can still see my base. That's all you need to do. You don't need to layer your base a lot. ज़्यादा layering से cakey लग सकता है, and if you don't need too much of concealing, you can avoid a concealer. That's just up to you. Now to set my under eyes and my concealer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact and I'm going to just apply and a little bit on around my mouth. I'm going to take the same highlighter और मैं थोड़ा सा अपने hand पर लेकर, मैं पाउडर हाइलाइटर अभी यूज़ नहीं करूँगी, मैं इसी हाइलाइटर को लेकर अपने फिंगर्स से जहाँ जहाँ मुझे हाईलाइट करना है मैं वहाँ पे अप्लाई करूँगी. बिकॉज यू नो मैंने अभी पूरे फेस को सेट नहीं करा है, अपनी आईलिड्स पे अप्लाई करूँगी. You can see a highlighter, a liquid highlighter can be used in so many ways, like as a strobe cream, like for your lids, for your for your base, and like it can be used in many ways. So you should definitely invest in this. I always get pimple over here, I don't know why. So you can see my base looks very dewy right now. So this is the kind of glossier look that we require. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to do the rest of my face. So first I'm going to move to eyebrows. So for my brows I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil, and I'm going to very lightly define my brows. See the difference? So a bronzer gives a very healthy glow. So I'm going to take the L'Oreal Glam Bronze, and first I'm going to take this to kind of bronze my face. So मैं अपने face को बहुत lightly bronze करूँगी. मैं कोई भी blush apply नहीं कर रही हूँ. So I generally use like blushes for like everyday makeups, but you can also use a blush for this. Because if you will ask me, I like bronzers more than blushes. You can see my eyes are looking very pale kind of right now because it's like only shimmery. So I'm going to take the same bronzer shade and I'm going to just define my crease with this. आप देख सकते हैं मैंने पहले भी ज़्यादा कंसीलर अप्लाई नहीं करा था because I never wanted a lot of concealer. उसमें मुझे थोड़ा सा पिगमेंटेशन चाहिए थी अपने आईज पर. So you can see this looks so beautiful and so natural. So that's pretty much it. Same bronzer के शेड को लेकर अपनी वाटर लाइन पे भी अप्लाई करूँगी. Looks really nude but really wearable at the same time. Now I'm gonna take my Nykaa Off the Line Kajal and I'm gonna tight line my eyes with this. And थोड़ा सा अपने वाटर लाइन पे भी अप्लाई करूँगी. That's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna take my Vega lash curler to curl my lashes. And for mascara, I'm gonna use my Maybelline The Colossal Mascara. So this is like more like a wearable look, so I won't be applying falsies. But अगर आप चाहते हैं तो आप falsies apply कर सकते हैं. So now I'm going to use this Savannah Shimmer Brick and I'm going to take this second shade. And now very lightly I'm going to highlight because my face is already glowy. So now I'm going to highlight my brow bone. My lips, I've just went with this baby lip color, and this is like a very nice lip color, and you can see it's like way glossier. I'm gonna top it up with this Slay Gloss by Glitterberry Cosmetics. Although it looks really fine, but I wanted a hint of orange. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this Maybelline Super Stay. So that's pretty much it for the look. This is my version of a glossier makeup look, and this pretty much is very wearable. So yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.